Hello students. In the last lecture, in the last video, I told you I have completed the lesson. The name of the lesson is coordinate geometry. Today onwards, I am going to start the next lesson from your syllabus, that is polynomials. As I told you, this is the second lesson from your syllabus and this is also very important and very simple lesson. We are going to start today onwards. First of all, let me clear what is meant by polynomials. What is meant by polynomials means introductory part of the polynomial. What is the meaning of the polynomial? How to identify the polynomial? I am going to start. Look here. First of all, I will write here what is the meaning of polynomial. Polynomials. What I have written here? Polynomials. Okay. What is meant by polynomials? Look clear carefully. You will come to know that. Suppose x be a variable. Suppose x be a variable, n be a positive integer. What I wrote here, try to understand what is the meaning, what is meant by polynomial. Polynomials, in that what I have taken, x be a variable, n be a positive integer, and a1, a2 dot like that, an. What I took here, a1, a2 dot like that, an be constants. Okay. X be a variable, n be a positive integer, and a1, a2 dot an be constants. Then polynomial x. Then polynomial x is written as an x raised to n plus a n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus dot a1 x raised to 1 plus a0 is called polynomial in variable x. Do you understand what I have written? Try to understand. I am going to explain once again. Suppose x be a variable. कौन सा भी वेरिएबल ले सकते हो? I have taken here x, you can take y, z, a, b, c, d, no problem at all. Okay, here also in case of this integers also, you can take any name. For understanding purpose, I have written this one. What I wrote, look here, x be a variable, n be a positive integer, and a1, a2 dot an be constants. Be what? Constants. Constants means they are not going to change. They will be like that same. Then P means polynomial x. Why I have written here only x? Because I have taken variable x. Do you understand? Suppose you are going to take here variable different, then you have to write also variable different over here. Then polynomial x is represented as or written as an x raised to n plus a n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 1 plus dot a1 x raised to 1 means the number which we are going to write over here, same number we are going to mention over here, because those are what? Positive integer. Those are the values of n, remember, plus a1 x raised to 1 plus a0 means here what will happen? X raised to 0 means any number raised to 0 means 1 is called as a polynomial in variable x. Okay, here if you will see carefully, then you will come to know that here polynomial, in the polynomial, then an, I have written here values. Which one? Look here, an x raised to n. In between I have written plus sign, but if we will separate, suppose, then what you will get? Look, an x raised to n, a n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1. Am I right? Comma, I am writing here comma. Look here, an x raised to n plus, here I have written plus, but I am writing here comma, an x raised to n, an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1. Like that, a1 x raised to 1 and the last point is what, a0. We can write here x raised to 0 also, but that will come 1, that's why I have not written here. Those all terms which I have written, or we can say all points which I have written, a1 x raised to n, an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1, a1 x raised to 1, a0, those are known as terms of polynomials. Terms of polynomials. Those are known as what? Terms of polynomials. And in those terms, an minus 1 dot 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 like that. Here I have written a1, a0, a0 are the coefficients. Are the what? Coefficients. Do you understand? Those are very important points or terms regarding to the polynomials. Okay, if you'll understand it, then you will come to know that what is the exact meaning of polynomials. Sometimes students are getting confusion while getting the concept of the polynomials, but you should not. Once again I will repeat here what I did. Look here, for understanding the concept of polynomial, x be a variable, n be a positive integer, a1 a2 like that, an be constants, then px, p, why I have written here p, because that is known as polynomial. This is the symbol of polynomial. Sometimes it is written as fx. F is also used for polynomial purpose, that is also correct. In some supplementary books you will also get over there f is written over there, means instead of p f is written, that is also correct, no problem at all. You should not get confusion. Okay, then px, why I have written here x, because I have taken here variable x, that's why I have mentioned here x. Okay, then p of x means polynomial x is represented as an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus like that a1 x raised to plus like that a1 x raised to 1 plus a0 is called as polynomial in variable x. Okay, now look here, I have separated that, what I have written here polynomial, that I have separated over here, an x raised to n, an minus 1 into x raised to n minus 1 like that, a1 x raised to 1 comma a0, those are known as terms of polynomials. And in those terms, if you will observe carefully, x is here, x means already I have mentioned here, x means variable. Except these variable, whatever point is remain, what is remain over here, an minus 1, a1, a0 are the coefficients. Coefficients of what? Coefficients of variable x. Coefficient means what? The number which is multiplied to the variable. Do you understand? That is known as what? Coefficient. Okay, next point I am going to start here, that is also very important. Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Sometimes this question is also asked for 1 mark or for fill in the blanks. Write the degree of given polynomial, like that question is asked, but sometimes students are getting confusion because introductory part they are not giving much more value for that introductory part also, because sometimes question is very simple but this is not taught, we have not understood, like that questions are there, but here understanding and not understanding is not matter. Okay, I am going to tell you a simple definition of degree of polynomial. What is that? Look here, the highest power of the variable, the highest power of the variable is called degree of polynomial. Okay, highest power of variable, highest power of variable. Okay, कौन सा भी अगर polynomial हो, for example I will take here for your understanding purpose, suppose I have taken here polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 4, 2x square plus 3x plus 4. If you will see, okay, these all concept I will explain once again. Look here, look, you will come to know that here which is the variable, x is the variable. कौन सा variable here, x is the variable, x is the variable. Here those numbers 2, 3, ये जो numbers है इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Coefficients. ये क्या है? Coefficient. This is variable and this is coefficient. In other terms we can write, look here, p of x is equal to, ये polynomial ऐसा लिखा जाता है 2x square plus 3x plus 4. P of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 4. P of x यानी कि पॉलिनोमियल x is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 4. अगर इधर y है तो इधर क्या लिखेंगे y, z है तो we are going to write over here z. Do you understand? Now we were discussing about the degree of polynomial. What I have written here? Highest, okay, high, est, okay, highest power of variable, highest power. अभी इधर देखो, इधर वेरिएबल नहीं है तो ये कांस्टेंट हो गया 3 इंटू एक्स, इसकी पावर क्या है 1. इधर देखो 2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर, इसकी पावर क्या है 2. यानी कि व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इन दिस पॉलिनोमियल? वेरिएबल कौन सा है? व्हाट इज द वेरिएबल? एक्स इज द वेरिएबल. देन व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पावर? हियर हाईएस्ट पावर इज 2, मीन्स डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल मीन्स डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 2. समझ में आ रहा है कुछ? ओके, मीन्स डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल इज 2. Those are the very important and basic and introductory part of the polynomial. That's why you try to understand it. Once again I am going to explain here. Today I have started the lesson polynomial. In that, what I have taken, x be a variable, n be a positive integer, a1 a2 like that, a and b constants. Then the polynomial x is explained in this form, is called as the polynomial in variable x. तो ये जो टर्म्स है विच आर रिटन बाय यूजिंग द प्लस साइन, दोज आर नोन एज द टर्म्स ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. एंड हियर an minus 1 a1 like that, those terms are known as, or we can say those points are known as coefficients. Okay, then we have discussed about the degree of the polynomial. First of all, I have shown you what is meant by coefficient, which number is known as coefficient, which number is known as, or which letter is known as the variable, that I have shown here. Look here, and how to write the polynomial. Suppose one of the other polynomial is given to us, then how to write that also I have shown here. Px, why I have written Px? Polynomial x is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Then how to write, identify the degree? Highest power of the variable is known as degree of the polynomial. यानी कि जो highest power होगी that is known as the degree. ये 1 mark के लिए question sometime it is asked. Okay, today you see this properly. I have written on separate page also. I will show you here. Look, what is the name of lesson? You will come to know that. Polynomials. What is the name of lesson? Polynomials. Polynomials. Let x be a variable, n be a positive integer, and a1 a2 like that, a and b constants. Then P of x, यानी कि polynomial x is written as an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a1 x raised to 1 plus a0 is called a polynomial in variable x. In the polynomial, an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 are the terms of polynomial. Then an in an minus 1 comma, I have written an comma an minus 1 plus, look here I am talking about this, an minus 1 dot are the coefficients. Degree of polynomial, I have written here definition. Degree of polynomial means what? The highest power of the variable is called as the degree of polynomial. Okay, you have to write those all terms which I have shown here today. You will come to know that for your understanding purpose I am showing this. Remaining points also I have written over here, but we will see in the next video. But today what I have taught you, that you listen carefully and you write in your notebook. Okay, what is our notes? Today's polynomials. We have to write first of all the definition. Definition means how it is explained. I am showing this for writing in your notes. Okay, बाद में हमने क्या देखा? Important point देखा, degree of polynomial. The highest power of the variable is called degree of polynomial. Okay, remaining points, those are the types of the polynomial. We will continue in the next video. I hope so you got idea about the concept polynomial. If you are having any doubt, ask me. Thank you.